Okay, and welcome to this short WP-LocalBiz video on making changes to the footer credits using the WP-LocalBiz theme. So if we rock on over to our demo site, the front end here, what we're going to do is we're going to change this in here. This is what this video is about. There's basically two rows of text in the footer. One is for the actual footer pages themselves in the bottom menu. And when you scroll over H card, of course you get the H card coming up. We're not actually going to focus on that in this video. Those are set up in your menus, appearance menus, and under the bottom menu. But the thing we're going to focus on right here and now is this bottom line here, which is the site credits, footer accreditation, site accreditation, whatever you want to call it. And where it says copyright 2011, local chiropractic website by local niche websites, and of course we're getting the change of color there when you scroll over, indicating it's a link, which it is. If you click on that, it will actually open up in a new page, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Okay, so going into the WP-LocalBiz control panel in the plugin there via settings, when you scroll over these four text links, four section links, you'll notice that there's no little mouse hover hand there indicating that they're links, and that throws a few people, but they're jQuery activated text links, and if you will left click, okay, that on footer for instance, open close, that's how they work. We'll probably change this in the version 2.0 when that comes out, but for the time being we're working on the footer section, and it's this section here, okay, the site credits, okay, and that's what we're actually going to change. Okay, so for instance, we could have we could change the year. We could say or whatever you want to put. Let's just change it for the sake of it. We could say 2010 to 2011. Okay, local chiropractic center. How about that? Whoop. Center. Whoop. Helps if you can spell. Okay, and website by. Now here it's got the anchor link. Okay, so we've got the opening bracket, anchor link, href equals, and then you just slot in whatever you want to put in there. The target, if you wanted to open it up in a separate window, it's target equals, and then inside the brackets there, or inside the quotation marks, you've got underscore blank, and that means to open it up in a new page. And then in between the closing tag and the closing anchor tag, whatever you want to have written there. And at the moment we've got local niche websites. Okay, so let's just say local chiropractic center website by, and we can say href. Now if you want to put in a hover title when you hover over there, you can do that. At the moment when you hover over, all you get is the change in color, but if you want to actually say, you know, visit website, we can do that by doing this. Straight after the A, instead of saying a href, okay, we're going to put in a title. I've done this before, so a title equals, and then again inside the brackets, view website, and then href equals, and then the href. So we've still got the anchor up here. We're just saying, well, this is the title for the hover over, and then this is the site, and that's where we want it to open in a blank window. So if we just save the changes, let's go and have a look at our handiwork, and that should, when that we'll just refresh the page here. Okay, when that's finished uploading, okay, that's good, or updating I should say. Okay, so we're refreshing the page here. You need to refresh the page just to see the effects of the work that you've just done. Okay, so the page is refreshing. Now when I hover over this website by local websites, yep, it should say H card, I don't want that, I accidentally did that. Okay, it should say view website, and it does. You can see it says view website. Before it didn't, but because I put title equals view website, and you can have whatever you want to have in there. You can have a whole paragraph if you want to. And of course, there's the other changes I made. 2010 to 2011, local chiropractic center. We had local chiropractic before, so it's as simple as that, everyone. That's how you do it in the control panel of WP LocalBiz. Just make your changes that you want to put in there. If you just follow the principles that I've indicated here, you will be fine. If you've got any questions, submit a ticket. But it's just basically HTML knowledge that is going to allow you to put in virtually whatever you want to put in there. Save your changes, and you are good to go. So thank you for joining me on this short, brief video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.